Evening one and all. Kumar's Maths Physics Point today vlog is about spoken English class. In this class we are going to learn the very basics of spoken English class. Spoken English is required for the present scenario. The minimum spoken English is required even for not only for the students, even for the housewives, for the mothers who are traveling across the America. And so many my neighbors insisted me to start the spoken English classes. With their support, today onwards I am going to keep some spoken English related vlogs. I hope this will be helpful to each and everyone, not only for the students, even for the mothers of the students, the parents of the students, even their sisters, even their elders who are back at home. Yes, in today's spoken English class, what is spoken English class? How to communicate. Spoken English is not only speaking English, how to communicate with others in a formal way, in a cordial way. That is what required nowadays. Even for some people, even though we are educated, we don't know how to communicate with others. That is what the basic thing, that is what happening. That is what many graduates, many engineers lacking, many engineers, many BTech completed students are not getting the jobs nowadays. That is what basic communication skills, how to reply to others. Okay, that is what I am going to explain today. First thing is how to wish each other. As soon as we reach our office, our school, we have to wish each other by saying good morning or good afternoon or good evening. This is the basic thing. After that, we have to talk with them in a cordial way. You have to begin your communication, your dialogue in a very best communication way by saying hello, how are you? And for that, if someone said the same to you, how to reply to that? Hello, I'm good. What about you? See, in this way you have to give reply also. The first thing is how to wish the person. Second thing is how to give reply to the person who wished you. That is also very important. If you are standing dumb, when you are wished by someone, if you are standing dumb, that is also not a proper communication. There you are lacking, there you are behind of the crowd. That's what here you have to reply, hello, I'm good, or you can say I'm fine. What about you? That is in that way, you are again asking the other person who wished you. Who wished you? That is what this reply should be given, the person who was wished. The person who was wished. Okay, for that, the first person who wished you will give, yeah, I'm good, thank you. I'm good, thank you. Here, the dialogue between the first person, second person, again the first person. Okay, here you may be sometimes the first person, you may be the second person sometimes. Okay, that's what in any situation, when you are the first person, you have to talk like this. When you are the second person, that means you are wished by your colleague, excuse me, your classmate or your teacher or your neighbor, then you have to reply in this way, being a second person. Being a second person. Okay, this is the first person reply. What I mean to say here, this first situation you have to learn whether you are as a first person, as a second person dialogue, you have to learn this dialogue. How are you? For that the better reply is, I'm fine. What about you? What about you? Okay, I'm good, thank you for asking that. Okay, this is the first situation that we are going through. Now coming to the second situation, you can see here how to ask a help. How to ask a help. Okay, this is what required wherever you are going. You went to some office or you went to some, you completed your 10th class, you went to some junior college, there you need some help to get the way to office or to meet the principal. You need to ask some stranger. That is what? How can you ask a help? That is the second situation. Hi, can I use your pen? Or hi, can I take your bicycle? Or can I take your book? Like that you can ask. Like that also, this is what another help. And in what I said just now, the situation in a college, in a new college, you can ask, that is what here, third one, what I said in a new college, how to inquire the details. To inquire some details. May I know the timings of the office? May I know the way to the principal room? May I meet the principal now? Okay, that's reply you get. See, the same way what I said in the first situation, maybe if you are in the position of to give reply, you have to give reply in a proper way. That is what called as good communication. Someone asked you, may I know the timings of your school? Yes, of course you can. Yeah, first you have to say a proper reply. Yes, of course you can get. And then you have to, my school timings are 8 to 5 p.m. like that. Then it will be a proper communication. When some inquiry is going on, somebody asked about the details, in what way you have to give the reply. That is what also today in my class I explained. That is what a proper communication. A proper communication. Somebody asked you about something, inquiry. Okay. May I know what is the syllabus of 81? Some friend who is absent today in class, she came to know that the 81 syllabus is given, or some syllabus is given in the school, or your colleague is only for today. She may get some, she may wants to get some inquiry. What happened? May I know what happened today in the office? Yes, of course you can. Today so and so things have happened in the office, or so and so tomorrow we have been assigned with this duty, like that. You can give a reply. What I mean to say here, this is how you can develop your communications by giving a good replies to the inquiry. That both you should be excellent. Not only asking something in English, the way how you are replying to others also you should develop. That is what called as a good communication skills, a good cordial communication skills. Okay, that is what today, first one, how to wish each other. Second one, how to ask a help. How to ask a help. See, for example, you are in a bank, you didn't bring any pen, you need to take a pen from the stranger. Sir, can I take your pen please? Can I take your pen please? Then that person answered, yes you can. We can't always expect the positive replies also. Positive replies only. Sometimes there may be some negative replies also. For example, someone asked you pen. Sir, ma'am, can I take the pen? Then you don't have pen. What is the negative reply? I'm sorry, you can't. Your pen is, your refill is over, ink is over. Or you are holding a red pen, you can't give, sorry. I'm sorry, I can't give. I'm afraid I can't give you my pen. Like that, even negative reply also you can give this way. Okay, this is what, second one, how to ask a help, how to give a positive reply, how to give a negative reply. Both you should learn. Okay, both situations you have to be there. In any situation, either positive reply or the negative reply, either situation you have to face in the present scenario in the society. In both ways, you have to be ready. How to give the positive reply? Yes, of course you can. Sorry, I can't. Sorry, I can't give. And third one, how to inquire some details. This is very well useful in our life. Many times we ask so many details. We ask in our daily life. Morning onwards up to the evening, we are asking the details. When some milk, milk wala, we have to give some money. How many liters? May I know how many liters for this month we have to pay? How many liters we have to pay? In that way, we are asking the details. In a cordial way, we are asking the details. For that, you will get yes reply. Of course, I can give. I hope this vlog of spoken English class is useful to you. You subscribe our channel, and you will be notified with the notifications. Every day you will be getting some spoken English classes or grammar related topics and maths related topics and physics related topics. All the three subject topics will be notified in the same channel.